How to find Instagram users near me. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Instagram users near you. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to check is to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. If not, please go to your App Store or to the Play Store and update the Instagram app. This will ensure that we will be facing the same user interface and that you will have the latest features that is in the updated version. Now let's just head on and click on Instagram right here. After that, let's go to the Explore page by clicking on this magnifying glass icon at the bottom part of the screen. And from this, let's just click on the search bar. So what we're going to do is, for the first way that I'm going to show you, just type in the city that you are in. So for example, if you are currently in New York, just type New York right here and click on See All Results. After that, you have many tabs right here. First, let's just click on Places on the 5th tab and click on any location that is near you presented here. For example, I'm going to click on this and then click on Recent. So this will show pictures of Instagram users that has recently been in this location. So you just scroll through right here. And as for the second option, let's just go back to the main page. Just click on the magnifying glass icon again. Tap in the search bar and type in the city that you are in or the location you're in. See all results. And the next tab that we're going to go through is the tags. So just click on a tag right here. So maybe the hashtag New York City will give more specific posts from people in this location. So you can just scroll through the top posts or also under the recent posts. And that is how you can basically find Instagram users near you. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.